this is Brandon. It's not Timmy, just kidding. I'm Rhiannon, and we're going yard selling, and we're gonna, what else, Brandon?
I guess buy furniture to flip it.
Yes. So this is our first YouTube video, and Brandon's a little shy, but that's okay. So...
Why are you just zooming in on me? You have one eye in the camera and me.
Yeah, but that's okay. So...
So close to my face.
Because it's so exposed. What was that, Brandon?
In the words of Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Yes, we can.
Exactly.
Can they drive? No, they can't.
So it got really hot, so we had to go home and change. But Brandon, why don't you tell them why you don't think we can fix the table?
Well, look at it. It's not in the best shape.
So
it's got water damage.
That's not true.
It's stained.
Okay, so
the legs are falling off.
I'm being very optimistic. Brandon's not. Right now we're on our way to go get citrus strip, and we're gonna go work on it, and that's that.
So, Rhea overpaid for a table, and it's not in good shape.
I don't think it's that bad, but I'm just cleaning it off.
We'll see what the people say.
I'm just wiping it off right now.
It's that bad.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I mean, it'll look better. We just gotta get all this nasty stuff off.
Guess we'll see. We'll see how it'll turn out. What do you need
so
to
right
do?
now, Brandon is tightening
the legs on a sturdy, super sturdy fucking table.
Don't
Sorry,
curse.
you gotta restart.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're
it's pretty gross, but
Gotta make sure it's sturdy.
oh my gosh. So, what kind of tool are you using?
Literally just screwdriver pretty much.
Yeah, but the viewers have to know.
It's Craftsman. It's a socket wrench with a screwdriver attachment.
Okay. Well, I was just saying.
It is Craftsman brand, furnished by my dad's garage. So we've had a catastrophic failure. Me and Rhiannon are no longer a team.
What?
No longer a team, and I'm suing her for my injuries. So right now we are putting this
Watco.
paint and poly remover on here, even though this is pressed wood, and I told Rhiannon I don't think it's going to do a lot, but maybe it'll get some of the stains and the other paint stains that are
Well, there's nail polish and
Yeah.
stuff on it.
off of here. So
You know, if it doesn't work, it's a beginner's tutorial for what not to do.
yeah, use us as an example of what not to do.
So right now Brandon is finishing it up. Right, like I said,
Cutscene to doing Brandon doing the work that I don't want to.
I mean, if it doesn't work, this is a beginner's tutorial for what not to do.
So, Ree, you want to tell me what you're doing there?
Scraping off that stuff. Whatever it is.
Yeah, so we let the paint and poly remover sit for 20 minutes. We're gonna see what all we get off of it. And we're gonna work on trying to sand down some of the bubbled up spots and go from there. Shots since I'm on the creeper. It's like an action film.
I mean, it's coming off pretty good.
I gotta get repositioned and not in the sunlight. So it's coming off.
Some of the stains are. It looks a lot better.
Ree thought this was real wood. It's not,
Whatever.
but that's okay. We'll make it work.
It looks a lot better. That's all I have to say. Like,
You know, hopefully it doesn't mess you up when you're editing from me going from this way to this way.
then why are you doing it?
Because it's a long table for some reason and it's 2 inches tall, so might as well do it this way, because if I do it this way, it's literally just you and the riding mower. But I think I can fix it on your phone.
Like, it does look a lot better.
Alright, well. We'll be back whenever this is done.
What?
It's like an ASMR video. You gotta get real close so you can hear it.
So, after 3 days and sanding it down, we kind of gave it, I don't know, like a farmhouse look, rustic, whatever you want to call it. I think we are finally done. It is clear coated and drying right now, and will be listed soon, and my nails are officially ruined. So I just got off of work, that's why I may look a little rough, but we did stage the piece and we posted it, and I got one hit. She asked for a little bit less than I had originally posted it for. I posted it for $75 because it was just a simple, you know, white coffee table, and we're just testing the market out right now. I told her I would like to do 65 on it. She said she'd like to meet in a few days, so she never really responded, so we're just gonna keep it up and see how it goes. But so far, you know, I'm getting a lot of views on it. Well, we are. And we will, you know, post the pictures of the final staged piece. And honestly, I'm really proud of us. Just let me know what you guys think.